Hey one, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best all-in-one printers of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best all-in-one printers of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Brother MFCL 2820DW Wireless Compact Monochrome all-in-one laser printer is the perfect solution for home offices and small businesses seeking speed, reliability, and efficiency. Designed to handle your daily printing, copying, scanning, and faxing needs, this compact printer delivers crisp black and white documents with professional quality. Featuring fast print speeds of up to 34 pages per minute, automatic duplex two-sided printing, and a 250-sheet adjustable paper tray, it helps you save both time and paper. With built-in wireless, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, the MFCL 2820DW makes printing from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet quick and effortless. Its intuitive 2.7-inch touchscreen allows easy navigation through functions and settings, while the flatbed scan glass ensures convenient copying and scanning of various document types. This model also includes the Brother Refresh Easy print subscription, ensuring you never run out of toner. Brother automatically ships toner when your printer is low, saving you money and reducing downtime. Compact, quiet, and efficient, the Brother MFCL 2820DW is an ideal choice for anyone needing a dependable, all-in-one printer that delivers outstanding performance and long-term value. Number 2. Brother INKvestment Tank Color all-in-one printer is the perfect solution for small businesses seeking high-quality performance, cost efficiency, and advanced security. Designed to handle demanding office tasks, this printer offers vibrant color printing, fast copy speeds, and professional quality scans up to 11x17, ideal for detailed documents, charts, and marketing materials. Equipped with wireless connectivity, it allows seamless printing from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop through Wi-Fi Direct, AirPrint Registered, or Brother Mobile Connect app. The innovative INKvestment tank system includes high-capacity ink cartridges and an internal ink storage tank that delivers uninterrupted printing and significantly reduces ink replacement costs. With up to 1 year of ink included, you can print confidently without worrying about frequent refills. Security is built into every layer, featuring triple-layer security to safeguard sensitive data, network access, and device information, ensuring peace of mind for your business operations. With its user-friendly touchscreen, duplex printing, and flexible paper handling, the Brother INKvestment Tank Color all-in-one printer combines productivity, reliability, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for small business owners who need professional results every time. Number 3. The Canon imageCLASS MF465DW is a powerful all-in-one monochrome laser printer designed to deliver professional quality results for both home and office environments. With fast print speeds of up to 42 pages per minute, this printer ensures high efficiency even during heavy workloads. Its duplex printing feature automatically prints on both sides of the paper, saving time and reducing paper costs. Equipped with wireless connectivity, the MF465DW allows seamless printing from computers, smartphones, and tablets via Wi-Fi Direct, AirPrint, and Mopria print service. The built-in auto-document feeder ADF simplifies scanning, copying, and faxing multi-page documents, making multitasking effortless. The printer's large, intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen provides easy access to settings and functions for a smooth user experience. With advanced security features, the Canon MF465DW helps protect confidential documents and restricts unauthorized access. Its high-capacity toner and energy-saving design contribute to lower operating costs. Whether you're printing business reports, invoices, or study materials, this printer delivers crisp, sharp text and consistent performance every time. The Canon ImageCLASS MF465DW combines speed, reliability, and smart functionality, perfect for professionals who need productivity and precision in one compact device. Number 4. The HP Envy 6555E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer is the perfect solution for your home printing needs. Designed with style and performance in mind, its sleek Portobello finish adds a modern touch to any workspace. This versatile printer lets you print, scan, and copy with ease, making it ideal for everyday documents, school projects, and family photos. Enjoy automatic two-sided duplex printing that saves paper and time, while the wireless connectivity allows you to print effortlessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop using the HP Smart app. Whether you're printing colorful images or crisp black and white documents, the HP Envy 6555E delivers sharp, vibrant results every time. With self-healing Wi-Fi registered, the connection remains stable and reliable, ensuring smooth performance. Plus, the printer includes a 3-month instant ink trial, letting you print up to 700 pages per month without worrying about running out of ink. HP automatically delivers ink right to your door. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the HP Envy 6555E is best for home users who want convenience, quality, and smart features in one powerful device. Number 5. The Xerox VersaLink B620D Monochrome laser printer is a high-performance printing solution designed for demanding office environments that require speed, reliability, and superior print quality. Engineered for efficiency, this printer delivers exceptional productivity with print speeds of up to 65 pages per minute, ensuring fast and uninterrupted workflows. Its automatic duplex printing capability reduces paper consumption while maintaining professional quality output. Equipped with advanced connectivity options, including Ethernet and USB, the VersaLink B620D integrates seamlessly into any business network. The intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen provides easy access to customizable settings and cloud-based printing apps, allowing users to print directly from services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. Built with Xerox's renowned security features, it protects sensitive data with secure print, user authentication, and data encryption. The printer supports a variety of paper sizes, up to legal and letter formats, making it versatile for reports, invoices, and other business documents. With its durable design, low maintenance requirements, and high-yield toner cartridges, the Xerox VersaLink B620D offers an outstanding balance of performance, cost efficiency, and long-term dependability, perfect for busy workgroups that demand excellence in every print job.